Meaning of the English idiom writer's block. When someone has writer's block, it means that they are temporarily unable to think of something to write. It can also mean something in the mind that acts as a mental block, preventing a writer from creating a new piece of writing. Usage of idiom. Writer's block is sometimes used to describe a quasi-psychological condition in which a writer is unable to come up with new ideas or lacks inspiration, but usually it's simply an expression and does not describe any specific mental condition or process which prevents one from producing written content. When someone says, "I have writer's block," it means only that they are unable to think of writing topics or ideas. Examples of use. I really need to update my website, but I have writer's block right now. As a professional journalist with deadlines to meet, he couldn't afford to have writer's block. The best way to cure writer's block is to just start writing whatever comes to mind. I don't have to worry about writer's block very much. I never run out of idioms to write about. Origin of idiom. This idiom has been used since 1950. The word block in this expression is used in the sense of an obstacle or impediment.